Hi guys. By the way, I'm gonna cook hot dog. First, I gonna get what is called that one mo? A plastic, and then I cut twice, and then I gonna put the what do you call this we call kalaha, and then after that I put the hot dog, and then the water. After that, guys, we gonna put the cover. Okay, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and comment and subscribe and press the bell notification. And then, guys, I want to this one like this one, that one, and to know that all the hot dogs are to gonna you call this one water, and then we cover it until he boiled. This one, guys. By the way, guys, the fire is medium low, like that one. That one, guys. Like that one, guys. The water is boiled, and then after the water is getting low, you're gonna put the cooking oil later on. You're gonna put the cooking oil later on. We're gonna check time to time of the water, and then you're gonna do this. You're gonna do this of the hot dogs like that, and then the fire, we gonna fire for slow, medium. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Like this one, guys. Like one. Be sure we have a little amount of water, and we can put the a little amount of cooking oil. This one, guys. That's one, guys. A little more. Getting smaller the water. That's right, guys. Every time we check the water low, you're gonna check from time to time, and then we cover it. That's one. Okay, guys, we're gonna put a little amount of cooking oil like this one. Yep, it's already done. And then like this one, guys. Here it is, guys, and then it's a little, we call this hapit na maluto. That one, guys. And then after that, we're gonna put the little bowl. This one, guys. That's all. By the way, guys, and by the way, this is a product, finished product. What do you mean? Hot dog. I finished to cook this, like this one. That one. It's so yummy and delicious. That, by the way, guys, it's we call this one ready to serve. That's why how to cook this, a simple way of hot dog. Okay, guys, bye. See you in our next video.